Sustainable mobility. The parking and car infrastructure is space-consuming and determines the image of the campus. To make room for qualitative open space and necessary new campus buildings, the Masterplan suggests to create a compact forest parking separated from the campus and from the pedestrian and bicycle paths. The face of the campus, towards different entrances, now mostly large surfaces of parking, will be improved, with clear entrances for the different transportation modes and more focus on sustainable modes of transportation. With a collective car parking separated from the campus and accessible with a new entrance road coming from the Fortse Steenweg. This way, the campus itself can become mostly car-free. A sustainable shift in mobility is aspired. By 2030, a decrease in car use and an increase in bicycle use is assumed. But by 2030, the amount of students and personnel on campus will also have increased. This results in a parking demand of 575 car parkings and 625 bicycle parkings, which is integrated in this master plan. The car parking is clustered in a new forest parking east of the campus. The parking will be integrated in the landscape surrounding the campus with a dense grid of trees, space for water infiltration, and by minimizing the hard surface. This will be a shared parking for the whole campus that can be phased in execution. Bicycle parking is integrated in the plan with a combination of smaller open bicycle parkings close to the building entrances and larger bicycle parkings on strategic central locations, preferably integrated in the future building zones. The correct distribution of bicycle parkings needs to be researched in detail in function of the capacity and occupation rate of the buildings. Attention will be given to covered and secured bicycle parkings, to space for oversized bicycles, and to a dry parking for motorbikes. The campus buildings need to be accessible for the necessary logistical vehicles. We try to combine these logistical routes as much as possible with the access routes for emergency vehicles to minimize hard surface. Logistical vehicles will be able to access the campus from the new access road towards the Fortse Steenweg, but also the entrance from the De Nijrlaan will remain open for non-frequent deliveries of heavy material.